Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the Shonen Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading Card Cube unboxing. As I was saying before my camera cut off on me, when my battery died. As I was saying, you know what? If you don't want those special limited edition 1/1 cards that has ever been made in the world for that particular set, do something nice, you know? Say, okay, I don't want this card, even though it's worth a blank ton of money, you know, and super duper uber ultra amazing super deep blah blah blah, you know, where don't rip it. Say, you know what, I'm going to give it to maybe one lucky YouTube subscriber, you know, in a giveaway contest, or maybe not even on YouTube, or say, like, you know what, follow me on Twitter or Facebook or Twitch or something, be like, yeah, I'm just going, that's something nice, that's something that I feel will help out the channel, grow the channel a little bit better, and they'll get more respect from people like myself and other, you know, card collectors. But to take a card that's like the only one of its existence and just whip it, no, that's stupid stuff. And I think it was Matt's fault, or maybe it could have been Unleaf, but I believe it was Matt's fault. I want to say he got a box of, like, you know, little Pokemon figurines. I think it was like the terrarium set where you have to build them inside the little tiny Pokeballs, and each one kind of has a different little thing going on. You know what the dude does? He grabbed a hammer, he smashed them all in the hair. They're like, you know, in the little colored blind mystery boxes. Took out a freaking hammer, started smashing them crazy, going all crazy, smashing them, detonating his table and his wall and stuff. After he smashed them, he opened up and was like, oh my god, they're all broken. Why would, like, Amazon send me a broken one? Why would Hobby in Japan send me a broken? You know what, dude? They're not broken. Everyone saw you on the video, took a hammer and smashed the thing into millions of micro little pieces. You know whose fault it is? That is your fault. That ain't Amazon's fault. That's not Hobby in Japan's fault. They wanted to you completely in perfect condition, but you have your stupid retarded moron and smash them up. And if I was wondering if I'm going to get like a card here and whip it up, no, I'm keeping my cards. Now, if I didn't want them, like I said, my two options would be sell them and get some cash back, or give them away. But, you know, I'm not going to do that. But those would be a better option than to whip your cards. You know, whether they play whip it or flip it. They don't flip it, they whip it. I would just keep it. But, you know, the YouTube's internet trends gotta be stupid. Like, remember the chili pepper thing, and then the cinnamon challenge, and the ice butter challenge was like the only okay, safe, good one that I'll give the pass on. But remember the Tide soap pod challenge where everyone was grabbing soap pods that you put in your laundry machine, your washing machine, and when the freaking moron we told idiots doing, pop it in their mouths. And they're like, ooh, I don't feel so good, I'm sick. Of course, you just ate soap, you idiot. Of course you wouldn't feel good. Now your body, your intestines would be super duper clean, but you're going to be sick for quite a while there. And the sickness continues on with YouTube and stuff. Like I said, it was started with Pokemon cards, or the flip it or whip it thing, and then it went on to, and now I'm seeing with Yu-Gi-Oh cards, which, you know, was it going to be nuts? My Little Pony cards. What's the other cards that I can't figure out at the moment? I had them. They're like some horse cards. Cerebella. Those are the ones I'm thinking of. What's nuts? That? I don't know. It's just totally stupid. But anyway. So, I like how you can definitely see your one foil card right here. So, Dark Magician. Love it. What I really need is a Dark Magician Girl English edition. I have a Dark Magician Girl, but it's Spanish edition. Well, I mind getting a Dark Magician Girl, yeah, Japanese edition. Not too much, but I really need a Dark Magician Girl English edition to complete my deck set that I have been working on for years since the Yu-Gi-Oh card game came out. Was the first original Yugi Moto / Yami Yugi the Pharaoh. For years I've been working on this deck, collecting Dark Magicians and stuff. I still need a Dark Magician Girl, and Dark Bear Magi, I believe, and Magician's Tome spell. Now, good news, Dark Curtain and Magic and Thousand Eyes, they were printed in Japanese text, only in Japan. Now they're kind of come out with a somewhat re-release type of deal, but first release here in America. So in English, we're going to begin our first ever print of Thousand Knives and Dark Magical Curtain. Don't know if they're still going to call it Dark Magical Curtain. Obviously, the artwork's going to be different. You know, the censorship, BS censorship from Japan, which is a little more, yeah, nice. Woo! I like that card. Too, I guess it's okay. Fine, it's a card to play to complete your collection, American style. So, yep. Anyway, I know you came here to watch this unboxing, and we're gonna get to it, but I just had to tell you about the BS stuff, about the flip it and whip it things. That's garbage. And now it was from Pokemon, now it's transferring over to Yu-Gi-Oh! Ugh, just gross and disgusting. So, oh yeah, $14.99. $14.99. I thought it was like $15.99 or $16, but yeah, $14.99. Now, some people won't like the deck bots. This little bots here. Of course, it's nothing like a good old Ultra Pro, but you know what? It's going to keep your cards nice and safe and protected. And it's going to get the job done. Of course, Ultra Pro is pretty much a good one that I love, but for what it is, it's going to get the job done. Now, I know someone in the Yu-Gi-Oh! Community that will really love these cues and stuff would be Cyber Knight. That dude is awesome right there. Cyber Knight, he really loves cubes and Japanese potato chip card promotions and stuff. That dude's definitely awesome. You gotta check him out, Cyber Knight. But yeah, let's get this open. If I can fit out where the openings are. Okay, was easy on that side. This side. There we go.